Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A happy woman taking care of her garden. The image shows a happy woman working in a beautiful garden. She is planting and caring for different fruits and plants. The garden is full of colors, fresh vegetables, and delicious fruits. The woman smiles because she enjoys spending time in nature. She works with patience and love every day. Gardening is not always easy. Plants need water, sunlight, and attention to grow well. The woman understands that good results take time. She carefully puts a small plant into the soil and hopes it will become strong in the future. Her positive attitude helps her continue even when the work is difficult. The peaceful garden creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The fruits around her represent the rewards of hard work and perseverance. Every seed she plants is a step toward a better future. Her actions teach us that success comes from dedication and effort. This inspiring scene reminds people to believe in themselves and never give up. Just like plants need time to grow, our dreams also need patience and determination. The woman's happiness shows that working toward a goal can bring joy and satisfaction. Her garden is a symbol of hope, growth, and achievement for everyone. Vocabulary. Garden. Plant. Fruit. Soil. Patience. Perseverance. Reward. Nature. Effort. Future. Goal. Success. Dream. Growth. Hope. Intermediate English. The value of patience and perseverance. The image portrays a dedicated woman caring for her flourishing garden. Surrounded by a variety of fruits, vegetables, and flowers, she works with enthusiasm and determination. Her cheerful expression reflects the satisfaction she feels while nurturing the plants and watching them develop over time. Gardening requires commitment, patience, and consistent effort. Every plant depends on proper care, including watering, pruning, and protection from harmful conditions. The woman understands that meaningful results are rarely immediate. Instead, she focuses on the daily tasks that contribute to long-term success. The garden symbolizes personal growth and achievement. Just as plants begin as tiny seeds before becoming productive and healthy, people must also invest time and energy in their goals. The woman's perseverance demonstrates the importance of maintaining a positive mindset during challenging moments. The peaceful surroundings enhance the message of tranquility and balance. The abundance of fruits represents the rewards that come from dedication and responsibility. Her actions inspire others to remain focused on their objectives and trust the process of gradual improvement. Ultimately, this image communicates a powerful lesson about life. Success is often the result of patience, resilience, and continuous effort. By caring for her garden with love and determination, the woman reminds us that persistence can transform small beginnings into remarkable accomplishments. Vocabulary. Flourishing, determination. Nurturing. Commitment. Consistent. Pruning. Achievement. Resilience. Objective. Improvement. Abundance. Responsibility. Persistence. Accomplishment. Tranquility. Tranquility. Tranquilidad. Advanced English. Cultivating success through patience and dedication. This inspiring image illustrates the profound connection between perseverance, personal growth, and the rewards of sustained effort. The woman, immersed in the peaceful environment of her vibrant garden, demonstrates an admirable commitment to nurturing life and creating beauty through her daily actions. Her expression reflects genuine fulfillment, suggesting that true satisfaction often emerges from meaningful work rather than immediate gratification. The diverse fruits and flourishing plants surrounding her symbolize the outcomes of discipline, patience, and unwavering dedication. Gardening serves as a powerful metaphor for life itself. Every seed represents a dream, aspiration, or objective that requires consistent attention and care before reaching its full potential. The woman understands that success cannot be rushed, it develops gradually through persistence and resilience. The serene atmosphere reinforces the importance of maintaining inner peace while pursuing long-term goals. Despite the inevitable challenges associated with growth and development, she remains optimistic and focused on the future. Her actions demonstrate that progress is achieved through small, deliberate steps rather than dramatic transformations. Furthermore, the image encourages viewers to embrace perseverance during difficult circumstances. Just as a gardener trusts the natural process of cultivation, individuals must have confidence in their ability to overcome obstacles and achieve meaningful accomplishments. Ultimately, the scene conveys a timeless message: patience, dedication, and faith in one's efforts can produce extraordinary results and lasting fulfillment. Vocabulary: profound, sustained, immersed, nurturing, fulfillment, gratification, aspiration, unwavering, persistence, resilience, serene, deliberate, cultivation, obstacle, extraordinary. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.